This video is about my experiment about wind noise cutting. In other words, I find it very troublesome when I use my camcorder or my regular still camera, digital camera, to shoot outdoor videos, and invariably there is some kind of wind going on outside, wind or breeze, and they interfere with the audio of the video. Sometimes if the wind is blowing a little too hard, it actually ruins the video. So I have done something hoping that it will reduce the wind noise, and I am going to make a crude indoor experiment. I'm not going outdoor right now, but I'll start that little table fan I have in front of me. I'll start it and I'll see if there is a difference between the audio before starting the fan and after starting the fan. So bear with me, let me go and start that fan. Okay, that fan is on now and it is blowing. The wind, I'm sure it is reaching up to my camcorder, and I do not know whether it is making any difference in the audio of this video, but I'll see. Let me do one thing. Let me make that fan stationary, not revolving, and let it blow air straight directly into the camcorder. Hold on please, one more time. Okay, I'm ready with my next part of the experiment, which is the fan blowing straight into the camcorder. It's not revolving or rotating anymore, and let us see if there is a difference in the sound quality, and if so, I'll tell you how I did it. It's a crude household experiment. This is nothing scientific. Okay, this is what I did. Of course, the sound quality has not been greatly improved, but I think it has been improved slightly, because some of my other videos, previous videos which I shot outdoors, some have been totally ruined. Especially I made a video on J.F. Kennedy Library in Boston, and it was by the side of the sea, and that was a breezy, rather windy day, and I was shooting outdoors, and hardly anybody could hear my voice. It was howling wind noise. And so somebody suggested that I use a product called DeadCatDot and use it in my camcorder. It's a synthetic fur-like substance. No cat was killed really. It says DeadCatDot. It's like cat fur, but it's all synthetic. No cat was killed or harmed. And that the company suggested I put that in the audio intake holes of the camcorder or camera to cover it up, and that will reduce the wind noise. So I did that, but it comes with a sort of a glue which is very messy and clumsy, and I do not know whether it will come off my camera if I do not want it. So I used that thing with some scotch tape. Like, in fact, I used packaging tapes that you can buy from any stationery store to seal packages, transparent packaging tapes. Using those adhesive tapes, I covered up the holes in front of my camcorder through which the sound enters, and probably the wind also enters, and it sort of reduced the sound to some extent. I'm going to take a still picture of my camera. I have only one camcorder, so if I want to show you the look of my camcorder, I have to take a still picture with my digital camera, and I'll show you what I did. It's very crude, but I think it has helped a little bit. Let me show you what it looks like now. whatever it is, that's the end of my experiment today. It looks like it has helped a little, but I really have to go outdoors someday or sometime today and really take pictures when it's really windy outside and see what happens. Thank you for watching. This was not any entertainment, but people who are enthusiastic or are interested in capturing good videos, I'm sure they all encountered this problem. In the outdoor situation, there is always some wind noise, and sometimes that wind noise is very, very bad because if the wind is really blowing hard. So that's about it, and thank you for watching again. Bye. Okay, now I have brought my wind noise reduction experiment out of doors. It's a park in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It's called the Dennehy Park, and I'm standing on an elevated ground in the park. It's like a small hillock, and I can see the kids playing soccer in front of me, and this is a pretty windy day. So this should give me a good idea about that DeadCatDot thing, whether it works at all or not.